Hi guys, my name is Thana and welcome to my channel. I'm in Cameron now for New Year's and we're doing the trip up to Pos Lemoi. This is the trail. At the beginning of the trail, what you'll see is all this, how do I say, farming land. You can see on top there, some farms there, some farms over there. Everywhere you see is all farms, and you'll see more of this as you go up. And that's our guys there, all heading up, trying to be careful, and we'll signal each other if a car or vehicle is coming out. You can see down there, I'm not sure you can see there, that's how steep it is downwards. Yeah. Apparently it's raining in Cameron, and it's going to be a very cold day. Oh, look at that. No visitors. You saw that motto? So we got walkie-talkie, and we'll notify each other what's happening in front. Motto coming, exactly. So this part is the easy part. All are paved roads. Yep, as you can see, incoming there. A lot of defenders here, as you can see. Old defenders never die. They just are reborn and then live forever. Rusty but still running. Yeah. That noise you hear in the walkie is the static. That means the person trying to communicate is too far, and that's why we can't hear him. Another Land Rover. Again, you see, farms. I do think a lot of the farms here are actually illegally set up, but you know what? That's what Cameron is all about. Illegal farming. Okay, see you later. Bye. The road here becomes a bit more challenging, as you can see. Earlier we had paved roads. These are more like concrete poured roads. But funnily enough, these are actually done by the government. And I guess they're doing it because of the plantations here who are giving revenue to the government. Gets a bit more green here, you can see. Pretty steep. I'm still on two-wheel drive, as you can see. You should be fine with two-wheel drive in Cameron because it's more uphill. If you get some gravel, and you might want to do four-wheel drive. It's Adish. It's fun, Adish?
Yes.
How are you? It's fun.
It's fine.
It's fun.
What is actually the tree is made from the government farm.
Minutes in driving up, as you can see, the weather here is extremely cold. It's just misty all over. It's gonna get really interesting when you go up. It's gonna get really cold. Wow, look at that.
Wow.
Time now is 9:22, as you can see. But yeah, single cab. Single cabs are the bread and butter of Cameron, the workhorses. And all.
This is gonna be cool.
Check that view out. Check how deep the valley is. And you can see here some motorbikes. These are the orang aslis. Some mud here. Some mud action.
Whoa. Mud action? What are mud action?
And some gravel up.
Gravel?
Yeah.
That?
And as you can see there, more farming. It's amazing how deep inside these farming areas are. More mud today. I'm keeping right. I don't want to go left.
Go, go, go! Go, go, go.
Should I? Should I? Yeah, as you can see, more farming area on top there. And yeah, the roads aren't pretty. You really need a proper 4x4 to go this area. Just look at how much dip there is. Easily 2 feet drop. So here we are in the middle part of the section. Hey Jenny,
We are
halfway through lah.
to the
Halfway through.
to our campsite.
Yeah, check out that view, man. So that's the last truck there. Is it a what? BJ? What is it? Rockstar.
DJ for me.
What is it? Some. Yeah. So no man is left behind. Waiting for that last truck way over there. And then,
Taking photo.
are you serious? Who's that?
Chăm hay. Yến xéo, Yến xéo. Yến xéo nè. Biết là chi người đi.
Gì đó?
I started a door, started a whole world singing. A day to see. Wait. Let me find one first. Đấy là. Đô mình tại đây.